Hey, this is Julie Osterkamp with the BLM again. We've made some updates to this Utah Wildfire Dashboard that I wanted to show. I find it easier just to show you instead of writing some long email that no one has time to read. We are now able to show ownership acreage breakdown automatically. Matt Penunto at the West Desert wrote a script that runs, he has it running every hour right now, and it takes the fire polygons, fire perimeters, which you can see here, all of them in the state, and intersects them with the ownership and spits out numbers. So it's refreshed every hour, and it will be current as much as the fire polygon is current. So you can click on a fire here and get the ownership breakdown there. Couple things to note. So we are pulling from two different databases here, and they can be conflicting sometimes, usually not by much. This one's right on, but sometimes they can show different data. And what's going on is this is the Irwin Wildcat database. So it's all based on the points you see on the map that I turned off. And it's all fires, doesn't matter what size, 1 acre, no, single trees, all of that is what's showing here. And the fire polygon data, that's all the information that's in this gray box over here, is just the fires over 10 acres. It's everything we have a fire perimeter for. So the total acres, you'll notice, let's deselect that. They're pretty close, but they're not going to match exactly. And then sometimes you will click on a fire and those acreages won't match exactly. So this is what's being pulled from Irwin, and it's whatever someone types in to Wildcat. And this acreage is auto-calculated through the fire perimeter there on the hour, like I said, about every hour. So anyway, we're showing you here the ownership percentage breakdown, and then down in this one is the actual acres of each ownership. I've been messing with the formatting a lot. There's not a way to make these zeros disappear, the ones that have no ownership. I'm working on that. Hopefully in an update in the future I can get rid of those. But if you're not able to see everything you need to, know that you can resize the elements if you hover your mouse between the columns to see the information that you're interested in better. So that's that. Couple little things I wanted to touch on. I did add a search bar here so you can search for fires by names. When you have all those incidents on and you're just looking for a particular incident, it can be hard to find, so you can just type the name in there, and it should jump to that fire for you. And then I also worked on these little pop-up boxes to show better information, more applicable information, and just make sure you zoom in quite a bit, not quite a bit, but you know, not the whole state. So once you zoom in, you can really know exactly what you're clicking on. So if you click on the point, this is that Irwin information again. And if you click on a polygon, like this one, it should say fire perimeter up at the top, so you can know that's the difference. This is a calculated acreage. That's the info from the fire perimeter. If you click on a point, it's showing you that Irwin Wildcat info. And I think that's about all the updates I had. I'm loving the feedback. If anyone has any more or something is not working for you, please hit me up. I would love to chat with you and figure it out. So thanks for listening. Bye.